Take a ride in the 2018 Volvo XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, tachometer, remote keyless entry, leather seats, panic alarm, power moonroof, brake assist, power driver's seat, rear window wiper. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.